The Trump administration has launched aggressive, whole-of-government, diplomatic, and financial campaign to systematically disable and dismantle the International Criminal Court, ICC. Announced by U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio, the policy explicitly aims to neutralize what Washington calls an intolerable threat to American sovereignty. Core actions taken against the ICC. The administration is deploying a multi-pronged strategy to cripple the court's operations. Aggressive sanctions. Building on Executive Order 14203, the administration has applied asset freezes, financial transaction restrictions, and travel bans to 11 ICC officials, including Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan and 9 judges. Targeting affiliates. Sanctions have been expanded to external actors providing evidence, including the United Nations Special Rapporteur Francesca Albanese and 3 Palestinian human rights groups. Pressuring allies. The U.S. State Department is actively coercing allied countries, especially those under the U.S. security umbrella or receiving U.S. aid, to diplomatically isolate the ICC, cut off its financial funding, and reject its authority. Nations that refuse face heightened American scrutiny. Demanding treaty rewrites. The administration has threatened further penalties unless the ICC alters its founding document, the Rome Statute, to explicitly guarantee permanent immunity for the U.S. president, top aides, and military personnel. The catalysts for the escalation. While the U.S. has historically refused to ratify the Rome Statute, the current push to destroy the tribunal stems from specific flashpoints: Israeli arrest warrants. The antagonism heavily intensified after the ICC issued arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant regarding the war in Gaza. Fear of future prosecution. Internal reports indicate Trump and his officials are moving to defund the court to head off potential future prosecutions regarding U.S. military operations overseas, including actions in Venezuela. Judicial backlash. The latest brick-by-brick dismantling campaign was fast-tracked shortly after 3 targeted ICC judges filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration in a New York federal court, challenging the legality of U.S. sanctions. Global response. The campaign has drawn sharp international condemnation. Human rights groups and legal experts warn that dismantling the tribunal undermines the post-World War II rules-based international order. The European Union has formally rejected the U.S. threats, calling any attempts to obstruct the court's independent mandate entirely unacceptable.